Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you are doing good. Are you looking to add life and energy to your home? The art you display and the photos you showcase can create an upbeat, relaxing or a rustic feel. From cooking dinners in the kitchen to lounging in the living room, the decor you choose can create a unique vibe in every room. If you really want to make your space feel like home, then the best way to customize it with DIY wall decor ideas. Ranging in price, materials and creating abilities, DIY ideas turn any blank, boring wall into a statement piece. There are number of DIY ideas available on the internet. Everybody watches them, but only few try it out because they might seem to be easy to look at, but maybe you don't have material needed, or perhaps drawing is not your cup of tea. So, through this video, I will share some really easy tricks where you neither have to invest a lot of money nor much of your time. The material which I'll be using for this DIY is old magazines. Yes, guys, these old magazines can give an entirely new look to your wall. So, are you ready? Take any magazine depending upon your interest. I am a designer, so I have loads of interior magazines. It can be related to travel, food and garments. Cut according to dimension. If you're not perfect in cutting, it's okay. That skill is also not mandatory. If you don't feel like using a magazine, you can also go with tissue paper or repurpose a scarf to make a unique artwork. Take photo frame and check size required. Fix it and it's done. Do you have an old calendar full of photos you love? Repurpose the papers and create frame artwork for your living room or bedroom. Do you have photos, maps or poster of a favorite place you have visited? Frame them so that your walls remind you of your beautiful adventure and inspire you to go on more. If you don't want to use scissors, I have an idea for you. Use plant leaves in frame will let you relish nature's beauty. After pressing green leaves, place them inside a wooden frame and hang them from your wall. Design trends change, so use the simple DIY method for your wall because the artwork is timeless and you can change it when you get bored. I feel fortunate to live in a digital world. Imaging technologies make it so convenient to capture not only our special family moments but also our day-to-day life. However, in this digital world, it is still as important as ever to make a photographic prints of our favorite moments to revisit in albums and artfully display in our home decor. Points to keep in mind before putting frames. Point number 1. Don't be afraid to mix and match frames and other products. Go for a variety of sizes that works in harmony. Point number 2. Before hanging the collection, do practice layout on the floor or on craft paper hung on a wall to ensure the sizes work together. Point number 3. A common mistake is hanging frames too high. Photographs and other wall art should be hung at eye level. A simple solution that usually works in most instances: for a single frame piece, the center should measure about 60 inches from the floor. So, these were interesting picture decor ideas for your home. Remember that your house is your space, and if you want it to look the best, you should add your style in its decoration. You can use these picture ideas in part of your home, such as the lobby, staircase, kitchen and more. Just make sure that you stay creative and have an open mind towards the room decor. So, have you got the images? What are you waiting for? Share your DIY wall decor photos with me. I would really love to see them. And yes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Designed by Misha.